Hello everyone. The window for applying to Swedish universities is now open. In my last video, I talked about 7 points why you should consider Sweden for your higher education destination. In this video, I'm going to discuss the step-by-step guidelines on how to apply to Swedish universities. And most importantly, I will discuss the 2 key changes in the application process for this year. These 2 changes are highly crucial for a successful application. So I would urge you to watch the full video to know about these recent changes in the application process. I'm Shawon. I'm a doctor and a scientist currently based at University of New South Wales, Sydney. I studied at Karolinska Institute in Sweden from 2014 to 2016. So let's dive into the application process. The best way to find the programs that you wish to study is to browse the university websites. You can find almost every details of the program, like program structure, course syllabus, entry requirements, application process, and possible funding opportunities. You can also find the contact details of the program director, and if you have any query/confusion, you can send them an email to know more about it. Let's look at the website of Karolinska Institute for their master's program in public health sciences, the program I studied. You can find all the necessary information ranging from application process to accommodation on that website. It is important to mention that you can apply to maximum 4 programs at the same or different Swedish universities with one application. So please choose at least 4 programs that you wish to study. To be eligible for master's level courses and programs taught in English, you must meet certain general and specific entry requirements. The general entry requirement for the master's program is that you must have been awarded a bachelor degree from an internationally recognized university. On the other hand, specific entry requirements can be different from university to university and also from program to program. Many courses and programs at the master's level require the completion of specific bachelor programs or courses in certain subject areas in order to be qualified. They are most often related to the subject or the program that you have applied for. These specific requirements are outlined in individual course or program descriptions, which can be found on the university website. In order to be eligible for university studies in Sweden, you must demonstrate that you meet the English requirement for the course or the program. The easiest way of meeting the English requirement is with an English test like IELTS or PTE. The most common requirement is IELTS overall score 6.5 with no score below 5.5 in each band. There is another way of demonstrating your English proficiency. If you have previous university education in English, you may in some cases meet the English requirement. Your academic transcript must show that English is the language of instruction for your university degree. However, an important change to this criteria has been applied to students from Bangladesh. Students with a degree from Bangladesh no longer meet the English requirement through university studies taught in English unless the university is listed in the World Directory of Medical Schools. Neither a formal university transcript or a degree certificate stating that the language of instruction for the program was in English, nor a degree from a university where English is the only language of instruction will be sufficient anymore. So that's very good news for doctors in Bangladesh. If you want to check whether your medical college is listed in the World Directory of Medical School, please check their website and search for your institution. I have found 93 medical colleges from Bangladesh listed in that directory. Unfortunately, students from other disciplines must have a valid IELTS score. The next step is to explore the university admission website. This is the Swedish national application website. All applications must be done through this website. All relevant information for the application are given in this website. You have to create an account here with your email address, and then by following the instructions given on the website, you can apply for 4 programs at the same or different universities. After choosing for 4 programs, you need to rank them according to your preference. Keep in mind that ranking your selection is really important because you will be first considered for the program you rank the highest. If you secure a place in that program, all the other programs that you rank lower will be deleted. A successful admission process depends on meeting the deadlines. Find out the important deadlines of your application in the university admission website. So here is the list of key deadlines of application process. Another important step is to prepare the necessary documents. The first document you will need is the certificate and transcript of your completed degrees. The certificate and the transcript must be officially issued by the representative of Academic Registrar's Office at the university. Please note that college issued mark sheets, result cards, transcripts will not be accepted. Then you will need to provide a proof of English language proficiency. You can either submit the IELTS score or provide documents from your university confirming that the medium of instruction in your previous studies was in English. Please remember that from this year, this is only applicable for doctors in Bangladesh. You also need to provide scanned copy of your passport with your personal data and the photograph. It's important to check the university's website for information regarding the specific entry requirements for your course. For example, if you're applying to Karolinska Institute, you must complete a CV provided in their website. You need to provide details of your academic experience, research experience, extracurricular activities, a statement of purpose on that CV. Please don't forget to check the university website for such details. Some universities may also require letters of recommendation. Finally, when you create an account in the university admission website, you will find a cover page. You need to sign that and upload the scanned copy. The next step is submitting the required documents. You can upload all the required documents to the university admission website, except the degree certificate and transcript of your degree. For example, you can upload a scanned copy of your IELTS academic test report to the website. Uploading documents to the website is the quick, easy, and safe option. However, you can also send the documents through DHL or FedEx if you want to. Please remember that you cannot delete some of the documents once you upload them. According to the Swedish law, once a document has been received, it's an officially registered document and cannot be deleted. So if you're submitting a CV or a letter of recommendation or a statement of purpose, please make sure that you upload the final copy. Your official transcript must be sent directly from your university registrar's office. And this is another important change in the application process for this year. Previously, you can send all the documents together, but now you cannot send the transcript with other documents or even separately in a DHL or FedEx. Your university must have to do this. Please remember that the envelope must not contain any other documents other than the official transcript. Please refer to the university admission websites for more details on this issue. Remember, you should never send the original documents unless you are specifically asked to do so. Please send a certified copy which is signed and stamped. Also, you need to send or upload only one set of documents. The last step of your application process is paying the application fee. An application fee of 900 Swedish krona must be received by 1st February in order for your application to be processed. The best way of paying the application fee is by using an international credit card. I will talk about how to apply for Swedish Institute scholarship in the next video. Please stay tuned for that. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Good luck with your application.